वेलकम टू बॉक्स ऑफिस इंडिया। आई नो अनलॉक स्टार्ट हो गया है बट वायरस अभी भी वही है, तो हमें घर बैठना बेस्ट ऑप्शन लगता है। और ड्यूरिंग दिस होल टाइम जहाँ हम काम भी कर रहे हैं और घर पे भी बैठे हैं, एंटरटेनिंग आवरसेल्व्स इज अ मस्ट। आई नो यू अग्री, राइट? तो एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए हमारी बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री ने जी जान लगा के नेटफ्लिक्स और अमेजॉन जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे नई मूवीज रिलीज करने का डिसीजन लिया। इस डिसीजन के अंदर गुंजन सक्सेना द कारगिल गर्ल फाइनली रिलीज हो गई है। यस, इट इज़ ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स। और अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखी है मूवी तो आप ये रिव्यू सुनिए एंड देन आई एम श्योर कि आपको मूवी देखने का मन ज़रूर करेगा। सो बिफोर आई टॉक अबाउट मुझे क्या अच्छा लगा, मूवी में क्या अच्छा था एंड वाई डू आई रिकमेंड यू टू वॉच द मूवी, लेट अस इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू द कास्ट। कहानी की स्टार है जानवी कपूर, हु इज essaying the role of Gunjan Saxena, the IAF pilot who combat during the Kargil war. She was the first woman IAF pilot, guys. So the movie hails feminism and all girls can cheer up because this is what we need. जानवी के अलावा the cast includes Pankaj Tripathi, who essays the role of Gunjan's father, Angad Bedi, who essays the role of Gunjan's brother, Aisha Raza Mishra, who essays the role of Gunjan's mother, Manav Vij, who essays the role of Commanding Officer Gautam Sinha, Vineet Kumar Singh, who essays the role of Fight Commander Officer Dileep Singh. So ये हो गई हमारी छोटी सी but very impactful cast. I mean, seeing them on the screen would make you feel all the emotions, and that's what we are expecting from a film, right? So moving on to the story भी काफ़ी uniquely portray की गई है without any absurd details that we do not need. So story start होती है गुंजन के बचपन से। She is from लखनऊ and उसका हमेशा बचपन से ही प्लान होता है to become a pilot. उसको जहाज उड़ाना है no matter what. गुंजन पढ़ाई में अच्छी है तो उसकी मम्मी कहती है कि यू शुड फर्दर स्टडी, यू शुड डू समथिंग एल्स। वो एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स की बात से बात करती हैं और बोलती हैं इतने टाइम में उसका भूत उतर जाएगा, उतने टाइम से उसका भूत उतर जाएगा, विच इज़ लाइक अ वेरी कॉमन मदर वाला फीचर विच आई टोटली लव्ड। उसके बाद आते हैं फेमिनिस्ट फादर पंकज त्रिपाठी, जो कि सपोर्ट करते हैं गुंजन के ड्रीम्स को। Throughout the film, we have never seen him discriminate between his son and daughter, which is the kind of energy we need in 2020. Angad Bedi is our elder brother, a protective brother जो चाहता है कि गुंजन कुछ सेफ करे, गुंजन वो काम करे जो लड़कियां करती हैं, एंड इन दोनों के बीच में बहुत वर्बल फाइट्स होती रहती हैं। तो स्टोरी में जब गुंजन बताती है कि मुझे पायलट बनना है, मुझे आगे नहीं पढ़ना है, तो उसकी मम्मी शॉक में चली जाती हैं बट फादर सपोर्ट करते हैं। बट ड्यू टू सम रीजंस वो पायलट नहीं बन पाती है। दैट्स व्हेन हिज फादर सजेस्ट दैट यू शुड एनरोल योरसेल्फ इन द आर्मी। यहाँ भी एक बहुत सडन ट्विस्ट आता है फॉर द कैरेक्टर ऑफ गुंजन, बट समहाउ शी गेट्स इनटू द इंडियन एयरफोर्स। इंडियन एयरफोर्स में फर्स्ट विमेन आती है तो दैट्स लाइक अ रेज। एवरीवनस लाइक व्हाट, अ वुमेन? यस, अ वुमेन। एंड जानवी कपूर struggles a lot to fit in because she's a woman. I'm sorry, I'm stressing on women a lot because 2020 is all about feminism. So because she's a woman, बहुत डिस्क्रिमिनेशंस देखने पड़ते हैं जानवी को। गुंजन को चांस ही नहीं मिलता है अपने आप को प्रूफ करने के लिए कि शी इज़ केपेबल ऑफ फ्लाइंग अ चॉपर। उसके सारे ट्रेनिंग कैंसिल कर देते हैं, उससे बात नहीं करते हैं, एंड शी फील्स वेरी लोनली। दिस इज़ अ वेरी लो फेज इन द मूवी जहाँ पे आपको गुंजन के लिए एंड एवरी person, regardless is a male or a female, will feel bad for the character. But then, of course, as a woman, she knows how to fight back and give it back to these people who do not believe that a woman can fly a chopper too. And be in the army, of course. So, Gunjan, of course, मानव विज के कैरेक्टर के पास जाती है। मानव विज पर्सनली उसको ट्रेन करते हैं and he knows that she is a good pilot and he sends her to the Kargil war. Yes, we are being attacked by the Pakistani troops and Kargil war में Gunjan Saxena amongst the other army men goes to fight for India. यहाँ से स्टोरी हम सबको पता है, द विक्टोरियस स्टोरी ऑफ गुंजन सक्सेना, द कारगिल गर्ल. उन्होंने चीता हेलीकॉप्टर्स उड़ाया, रेस्क्यू किया अ लॉट ऑफ आर्मी मैन हु वर हर्ट ड्यूरिंग द वॉर एंड हेल्प द आर्मी इन विनिंग द वॉर. सो ये ग्लोरियस मिशन कंप्लीट करके जानवी वापस आती है एंड दिस इज लाइक द एंड ऑफ द फिल्म. कट होता है सीन टू अ सीन बिटवीन अंगद बेदी एंड गुंजन सक्सेना's कैरेक्टर. अंगद बेदी ऑफ कोर्स इज द एल्डर ब्रदर जो प्रोटेक्टिव है एंड ऑल. So throughout the movie, Angad Bedi has always been very repressive about Gunjan going to the army. He's like, "तुम्हें घर पे रहना चाहिए. There are a lot of men in the army. There's no women in the army. You should be here. You should be safe. It's not all safe here." जब वो war में भी आती है, during the war, she comes to Kargil. He's like, "Why are you here? I cannot save you. I won't be there for you." वो सब change हो जाता है. And the last line that he says is, I know I told you that I would not be able to protect you all the time, but I know you as an IAF officer will always protect me because I'm an army man. So this line just etched in my heart. This was like the perfect ending and I totally want to congratulate Sharan Sharma for doing it. This was like the best way you could end a biography of an IAF pilot so gloriously yet so humanely. Let's move on to the direction, the background score and other technical stuff. Sharan Sharma is debuting with this film as a director and he has done a commendable job. The way you see the film on your iPad or phone or laptop screen, you will of course miss that theatrical experience a little because of the atmosphere, but watching the visuals you will be in for a treat. He has done an amazing job. बायोपिक्स का सबसे ट्रिकी पार्ट ये होता है कि आप किसी की लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा अचीवमेंट फ्रॉम हिज चाइल्डहुड एंड हाउ इट स्टार्टेड टू द टाइम ही अचीव्ड इट और शी अचीव्ड इट, आपको वो सब कॉम्पैक्ट करना होता है in 2 hours. So you of course do not want to miss out on the important details, which would be a lot of them, and you do not want to put in unnecessary details as well. Sharan has done this amazingly. Throughout the film, आपको ये नहीं लगेगा कि यार ये this wasn't needed या ये नहीं needed था. Even the songs that are in the movie are amazing and they are perfectly fitting the situation. You wouldn't feel like क्यों गाना डालना है ये. There are a lot of movies where you feel कि यार यहाँ पे गाना नहीं होना चाहिए था. ये this is a biopic. Why is the song needed and why is so glorifying? But ये गुंजन सक्सेना में नहीं होता है, which is a great thing that Sharan has done. Story के dialogues will etch in your heart. I mean seriously, there's a dialogue where after being so discouraged at the IAF, Gunjan comes back and then she's like, I think I want to quit IAF, I just want to get married and settle down. So his father says that, I do not know how all the women in the world are suffering because this is not a feminist world, but I know that if you as a person who has wings to fly, me as a feminist father has never, told you not to do anything. I have given you wings. And if you are telling me that मैं ही अपने खुद के wings काटना चाहती हूँ because there have been some hurdles and I want to get back into that cage, what's the point? I as a father have failed and I felt that. We need that kind of people right now. We need people who are vocal about equality or women and everything. So I think that was one of the great parts about the story. Also, the underlying story of the father-daughter relationship is amazing. We have talked about fathers and daughters a lot. We know that relationship is unique. But Pankaj Tripathi and Janhvi Kapoor dwell in that relationship so amazingly that you will actually feel that, okay, this is a father talking to a daughter, which sometimes never happens. Talking about the background score and other details, Sharan has not missed on anything. इसका क्रेडिट राइटर्स को भी जाता है. शरण एज वेल एज निखिल मेहरोत्रा जिन्होंने ये स्टोरी लिखी है हैव inculcated small details. Screenplay में you see small details like how family sits together, how a family celebrates a 90%. Everything is so realistic, humane that you will connect to the story instantly. Talking about the acting, Janhvi Kapoor, who was last seen in Dhadak, might not have many fans of her acting, but I think after Gunjan Saxena, they will love her more, of course. Gunjan Saxena ki character mein she's dwelled in so nicely that you are convinced that Janhvi Kapoor is an IAF pilot, which is an amazing thing for an actor. Pankaj Tripathi has been pleasant as usual. उनको कभी भी स्क्रीन पे देखो डिसअपॉइंटमेंट नहीं होगा. तो इन दिस फादर फिगर आप जब देख रहे हो एंड दैट टू अ फेमिनिस्ट फादर, तो आपको इट्स ऑलवेज प्लीजिंग टू द आईज. Aisha Raza Mishra and Angad Bedi have also done a commendable job. मतलब if you see Aisha, she's done a lot of mother roles and she fits very well into those roles. Like the way she talks, the way she behaves as a mother, the character is super amazing. Angad Bedi as an elder brother is every elder brother in this world. Like I have a brother and I could relate to how this brother is talking to a sister. With concern, of course, with love, of course. Anna Vij has always had this strong personality when he comes on the screen. And in this movie as well, he's done a commendable job. Vineet Kumar is also impressive as usual. And I don't know, I do not want to talk more about these characters because it's all on you seeing the film and actually feeling it. Gunjan Saxena in the era of 2020 is breaking gender stereotypes. I know this happened a long while back ago, but this is the kind of movies, the kind of energy we need right now. Karan Johar has produced a lot of films and I would like to say that this is one of the good projects that he's invested in. Netflix as a platform has also done a commendable job to release this film near the 15th August time, and I think people would love to watch such more films. It would be very easy to say that this is how a biography should be made. This is how a biopic should be. No extra glorifying, no masala and nothing. It's just plain, simple, realistic, humane visual of someone's beautiful and amazing victory. So in conclusion, I would say do watch Gunjan Saxena for an amazing experience to know an amazing, victorious and glorifying story in the most subtle manner. I would like to give 3.5 stars out of 5 to Gunjan Saxena. Thank you for listening to this review. I hope I made sense and I hope you kind of liked it. And I hope after listening to this review, if you haven't watched the film, you will go and watch the film on Netflix. And do let us know if you like the film in the comment section and go watch it, come back and tell us, start a discussion with us. We'd love to chat with you. Thank you for tuning to Box Office India. Stay safe and stay home.